Dog foods that are most popular aren't always the best. Sounds logical, does it? Well, sometimes it is true, and sometimes it isn't. Are you curious? Is that true for puppies' food? I'm a dog food judge and I have examined top 10 most popular dog foods for puppies. To see the complete analysis, download my comparison table in the description, where you will see everything in one place. In this video, my friend, I want to show you the test results and reveal you the secret: is the most popular food the best food for puppies? Okay, let's start! Number 1. The most popular dog food for puppies is Natural Balance Puppy Formula. The Natural Balance Puppy Formula is most sold puppy food product on Amazon, which makes it the most popular product. But what about healthiness? Natural Balance Puppy Food is produced without dangerous preservatives, without grain, without wheat, and without soy. However, this food contains a lot of plant-based proteins, which are less acceptable than animal-based proteins. My judgment for Natural Balance brand is 86 out of 100 points. Puppy food number 2. Hill Science diet for small and toy breed. My analysis shows that Hill Science puppy food is well balanced and there are no dangerous preservatives and soy. However, I detected 4 problematic ingredients. First, wheat. Second, corn. Third, peas. And fourth, dried beef pulp. To long short story, my final judgment for this food is 81 out of 100 points. Okay, for now it is true, the most popular brand is the best. Will third food change that fact? Food number 3. Taste of the Wild Puppy High Prairie Venison and Bison. Taste of the Wild brand of foods is the most popular on the internet. However, the Taste of the Wild puppy food is third, but this is not the case if you look at the healthiness. This food is produced without dangerous preservatives, grain, wheat, and soy. It is perfectly balanced and it contains a lot of animal-based proteins. My final judgment for the Taste of the Wild puppy food is 89 out of 100 points. So this is the third food, but has the highest rating at the moment. Okay, so the most popular food isn't the best, but I want to tell you that in the end you will see a big surprise. Let's see the fourth food. Food number 4. Blue Buffalo Life Protection Formula for puppies. This brand is well balanced and the situation was great until I made ingredient analysis. I found 6 problematic ingredients. So my final judgment is 73 out of 100 points. Food number 5. Pedigree Puppy Growth and Protection Formula. When I examined Pedigree product, I was totally shocked. This is the 5th most sold puppy product on the internet. Unfortunately, it is the most unhealthy one. This food contains 12 problematic ingredients which are in some cases cancerous and dangerous for puppy health. My final judgment is only 9 out of 100 points. Food number 6. IAMS Proactive Health. IAMS puppy food is cheap but not very healthy. The food is well balanced, but still it contains 6 problematic ingredients. My judgment is that this product deserves 65 out of 100 points. Food number 7. Purina One Smart Blend Natural Puppy Food. The Purina is a very famous company with a lot of dog food brands. The brand for puppies is well balanced, but there were 7 problematic ingredients in the analysis, so I decided to lower the points for this popular product. My judgment for this puppy food is 61 out of 100 points. Okay, the next food will show you a little exception. The food number 8. Wellness Core Puppy Brand. Wellness Core is actually a very healthy and well-balanced puppy food, however it is not second as it should be on the list of most popular puppies foods. This food does not have any dangerous ingredient and it does not contain grain, wheat or soy. So my judgment for Wellness Core puppy brand is very high, 88 out of 100 points. The last two brands are not so popular, but this food will certainly become more popular. Number 9. Orion Puppy Food. Orion Puppy Food brand is becoming more and more popular. Why is that so? Well, it is produced as the biologically appropriate raw food, barf, and in my examination I discovered that Orion Puppy is the best dog food for puppies. Orion Puppy Food does not have any dangerous ingredient. Doesn't contain grain, wheat, soy or preservatives. Processed ingredients with freeze-dry technique. Has a perfectly balanced composition full of fresh and raw meat. So it is the best because it really is, and I highly recommend it as the best dog food for puppies. My dog food judgment for Orion Puppy Food is 100 out of 100 points. Food number 10. Stella & Chewy's meal mixers. Stella & Chewy's foods are well known as the best freeze-dried brands on the internet. However, it can be a very good puppy food as well. Stella & Chewy's meal mixers food is well balanced, does not contain any bad ingredient, and the only objection for this food is price, which is high. My final judgment is 93 out of 100 points. So as you can see, the last two brands are actually the best foods for puppies and they are less popular than other low quality puppy foods. Here I mention you the shorter version of analysis I made. I suggest you download my free comparison table where I show you all the test results. Also, check the full comparison article, which is very long, but explains you why I provide these grades. Links are down below in the description. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button to receive more like it in the future. Thank you for watching this video, and remember, let's keep our pets healthy. Bye!